Every single thing you've ever typed into Google is sitting in a profile with your name on it. Every symptom you've searched at 2 a.m., every gift you've bought, every job you've applied for behind your boss's back, all of it. Logged, sorted, and used to predict what you'll do next. And the wildest part is most people have no idea there's a built-in alternative sitting inside a tool they may already pay for. That's why in today's video, I'm going to dive into exactly what Surfshark Search is, how it actually compares to Google in real time, and the one big limitation nobody talks about that you need to know before you switch. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and on this channel, we cut through the marketing and give you straight answers about the tools that actually protect your privacy online. Surfshark Search is a private search engine that comes bundled with Surfshark One and Surfshark One Plus. It promises no ads, no tracking, no search history, no personalization, and no third-party access to your queries. That sounds great on paper, but the question that actually matters is whether the search results are good enough to use every day, or if you'll end up running back to Google within a week. So in this video, I'm going to give you the full picture, so let's go ahead and get into it. Before we get into Surfshark Search, let's talk about what you're really opting out of. Again, every search you make on Google gets logged. If you're signed in, it gets tied to your account. If you're not signed in, it gets tied to your browser fingerprint and your IP address, which is honestly the exact same thing in terms of identifying you. Over time, Google builds a profile. Not a vague one, a very detailed one. Your interests, your worries, the products you're thinking about buying, the health stuff you're nervous about, the trips you're planning, the relationship you're navigating. That profile is then used to target you with ads. And not just on Google itself, but across the massive network of websites that use Google's advertising data. It also shapes what you see. Two people typing the exact same search into Google can get different results because Google personalizes everything based on your history. That creates what researchers call filter bubbles. You can see what the algorithm thinks you want to see, which means you stop seeing the full picture. Some people love this and other people find it genuinely uncomfortable once they realize how deep it goes. Now, Surfshark Search flips the model. It doesn't store your search history. It doesn't build a profile. It doesn't serve ads inside the results. It doesn't share what you typed for with third parties. And it doesn't personalize anything based on what you searched yesterday or last week. Every search you make starts completely clean. The results you see are organic, ranked purely on relevance to what you typed, not on what advertisers paid for an algorithm thinks you secretly want. You can pick a geographic region for localized results, but the search engine isn't tracking you to that region over time. When you use Surfshark Search with the Surfshark VPN turned on at the same time, your search queries can't even be linked to your real IP address or browser fingerprint, meaning the search engine itself has no way to tie what you type to who you are. The trust on this isn't just marketing either. Surfshark's no-log policy has been audited by Deloitte twice in 2023 and again in 2025. Their infrastructure was independently audited by Secure Ring in early 2026. Their mobile apps carry the MASA certification. This is one of the more thoroughly vetted privacy stacks on the market. For general everyday searches, news, definitions, basic how-to questions, looking up a recipe, researching a topic that's well established, Surfshark Search works amazing and perfectly fine for this. The results are useful, accurate, and they load fast. For about 80% of what most people search for every day, you won't notice a meaningful difference. For technical queries, highly specific searches, or anything that benefits from Google's massive indexing advantage, Surfshark definitely does lag a bit, but there's a specific limitation you need to know about. Surfshark Search does not support search operators the way Google does. There's no native site filtering. There's no date range restriction in the search bar. If you're someone who searches things like site:/reddit.com to pull results from one specific site, or you filter results to the last week, those tools just aren't available there. The fairest comparison is DuckDuckGo. So if you've used it before and it worked for you, Surfshark Search will feel pretty familiar. If you tried DuckDuckGo and gave up because the results weren't deep enough, you might have the same experience over on Surfshark. The most practical approach that so many people use is using Surfshark Search as your default for everyday stuff, and then switching to Google with your VPN turned on for searches that need a bit more depth that you need Google for. That way, you still hide your IP even when Google is the only tool for the job. Now, a private search engine on its own is only doing half the job. Even if the search engine doesn't log your queries, your internet provider still sees what you're connected to. And the search engine still receives your IP address in the moment, even if it doesn't store it. When you layer the VPN on top, that gap closes. Your VPN tunnel hides your IP from the search engine entirely. Your traffic is encrypted, so your provider can't see what you're searching for in the first place. And the websites you click through from the search results can't connect your visit to your original search because both go through the VPN. This is the actual private search experience. Not just one tool, but two of them working together. And because Surfshark Search is bundled with the VPN in the same subscription, you don't have to think about it. You just turn on the VPN and search. Now that you understand the best way to actually use Surfshark Search on top of the actual VPN, let's talk about the different plans and pricing options. So if you want to make sure you're getting the best price possible, we do have a link down in the description below, and you can get started for just $1.99 per month. Once you click that link down below, we've got a couple different options here. So you can pay for the 24, 12, or 1 month. You're going to get the best price with the 24 months. So I'm going to review those, but just know you can go ahead and take a look at the other options. So for the Surfshark starter, that's just $1.99 per month plus 3 extra months on top of that. This is the only plan that the search is not included in. Okay, so you can save 87%, but you still can save 87% on this one. Then the most popular is Surfshark 1. You can save 86%, and this is again, just $2.49 per month plus the 3 extra months. This one, you get VPN, alternative ID, antivirus, and then, of course, the search. Lastly is the Surfshark 1 Plus. You can save 80%, and that would just bring it to $4.19 per month plus 3 extra months on top of that. You get everything in the Surfshark 1, including the search and then identity theft coverage and data removal by incognito. Okay, so choose the plan that best fits your needs. You could always try it out. They do have a 30-day money-back guaranteed, so if you don't feel like it's the best fit for you can go ahead and get your money back. If you're already paying for Surfshark 1 or 1 Plus, the answer is you should definitely use it. Set Surfshark Search as your default, use it every day for searches, and then fall back to Google with your VPN for searches that genuinely need it. You'll get a meaningful privacy upgrade, and it costs you nothing extra if you're already on those plans. If you're shopping for a new privacy setup, getting Surfshark 1 or 1 Plus is going to get you the best value. You're not just getting a VPN, you're getting a whole privacy stack in the subscription. Again, if you want to check out Surfshark, we do have a link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Switching to a private search engine is one of the highest impact privacy moves you can make for everyday browsing. It's not a perfect replacement for Google, and I'd rather tell you that upfront than have you find out the hard way. But for the majority of what you search every day, it does the job, and it stops a profile from being built on you in the background. This channel is dedicated to helping you stay safe online and choose the best tools for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.